Oh, hey guys. Today I'm going to be talking about my 1980s Marine kit. Yeah, this is the kit. It's the whole kit. Minus two things, which are my gloves, which are right there, and my boots, which are right there. Uniforms. Let's talk about them. Not all the uniforms are the same, actually. Not camo-wise, but cut-wise, or material. Type 1 BDUs are not ripstop, and they have a big collar, which also is called the Elvis collar. And then Type 2 BDUs are 100% cotton and are ripstop, but they have a smaller collar. And the Type 3 BDUs are the exact same as the Type 2, but it's 50% nylon and 50% cotton. I'm not going to be going all in the differences and stuff. That's just the base differences. But if you want to know about them, there's plenty of YouTube videos. You could go watch the Gear Lockers video on it. I'm using a Type 2. Yeah, I'm using a Type 2 or Type 3. I cannot tell. This is a reproduction. So, it's not Type 1 because it's ripstop, and also the collar is small. So this is either Type 3 or Type 2. Boots. The boots shouldn't be too hard. It's either you get two pairs of boots. You either get the black leather boots or you get the green jungle boots. Now, my favorite part of the kit, the Alice webgear. I love Alice webgear. I love it. I even use it when I'm not running an 80s kit. It's just that good of a system. It's great for airsoft. I'm using this for airsoft. I play airsoft. Do you know that? Hey, you should subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, you, the viewer. You should subscribe.
Yeah, I'm not subscribing, dude.
Alice, it shouldn't really be that hard. All you have to do is get the correct dated pouches, which would be 80s dated or 90s dated. I don't have the right pouches. I have like the newer 2000s ones, so they're like bright green. Which yes, I will replace them someday. When? Someday. I don't know when. Let's talk about what's on my Alice webgear. So I have two compass pouches, right? One has two fake tourniquets and the other one has a dead rag. If we go on my left side, we have two Alice mag pouches, and on the sides there's holders for grenades. In the bag pouches, of course, I have mags. These are airsoft, by the way. Go to my other side, we have another mag pouch with a carabiner. By the way, this carabiner is not accurate. I just like to have a carabiner on my kits. If we go to my back, we have two canteens and one IFAK in the middle, which is kind of a common setup you would see in like Granada and stuff. But anyway, if you can see, I don't own a Pasket vest. Why? Because people sell them for a lot of money on eBay. Pasket vest looks like this. It was introduced in 1981, so as with the Pasket helmet, in M81 Woodland, and we used this vest for like 20 years until we phased it out for the Interceptor body armor in 1998 or 7. They did make covers for the Pasket vest, and so as the helmet, like the chocolate chip cover, DCU, and maybe T-block. I'm not too. The Pasket helmet, which I have, this is a reproduction one. I have an M81 helmet covered, so has a green cat eyes band. Sometimes you would also see Sundust wind goggles on here, but I don't got one. I don't got a pair yet, so I'll have to buy those too. As of now, it's like 80s kit so far. Make an updated video once I get more stuff like a butt pack and Sundust wind goggles and a better uniform, because these are kind of shitty. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like the video, share it with your dog or something, and yeah, like and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok too, and let's get 100 subscribers, guys. Let's do it.